The Clim Art Cargo Liner fully conforms to the trunk and is also equipped with a handle for easy access of the spare tire and has the anti-slip mesh. The signature honeycomb technology of Clim Art's cargo liner is amazing. You just hit it a few times, it's ready to go back into the trunk. It's amazing. When removing the Clim Art Cargo Liner from the box, don't worry about its shape. Just put it into the trunk, wait 24 hours, and it will conform to its original shape. If you spill anything in the trunk, the carpet cells will block the liquid and the surface will remain dry. Dry surface, dry and clean luggage.